everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to play with another cradled art wood panel from Artist Loft, another 10 by 10. I have it taped up on the sides as I did the last time. I like to keep the sides free of paint. I will have a natural wood finish there with some resin on it. This lip here will have some of the paint coming over it from the painting. So I like the way that looks in the end, and I will show it to you when it's all done. But anyway, today's colors are going to be this beauty that I love a lot is Golden Iridescent Gold Fine. And this is Golden Quinacridone Crimson. This is a combination of Amsterdam Phthalo Blue and DecoArt Sterling Silver, half and half. All of my recipes will be in the description box below. And somehow we're moving here again. Sorry about that. This is Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet. It's a really pretty deep purple. And we have Artist Loft Copper. I do like Artist Loft's Copper. It's just got a really nice shimmer to it. My base coat is going to be white. And it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic with a little bit of satin enamels. And I'm going to be swiping with Amsterdam Black Oxide and Floetrol. And again, you'll find all of those recipes and colors listed in the description box for you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some music and I'm going to paint. And I hope you enjoy. Come back towards the end and we will, or stay on till the end, and we will talk about the painting a little bit. And I also would love to remind you, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It means so much. And like the videos, that's helpful too. Really appreciate it a lot, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for being here and having some fun with me. I do enjoy sharing this with you. If you have any questions on what I'm doing or anything like that, please feel free to leave a message in the messages here, or you can shoot me an email at my email address, which is also in the description box below. All right, so let's get busy and paint. So here's the final wet results. I love the bright bold colors. Very different than the last one if you saw that video, because it was very pastel and delicate. This one has nice bold colors. I think I like it on its side like this too. It just looks like, I don't know, something's reaching off into somewhere. Give me an idea of what you're thinking when you see it. I'd love to get your impressions. Leave me a message and tell me what you think. What does it look like to you? What does it remind you of? I don't know. There's a lot of details in here, but there's just some cells, and it's just so cool. And these bright colors, these bold colors, and the metallics in there are going to just shimmer and shine underneath a coat of resin. Very excited to see that. I will show them to you when I get them all done. Subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you get all the notifications. And you will see them eventually when they're cured and resined. Thanks for sharing your part of your day with me. I appreciate that. Take care of yourselves and have some fun painting. Try something different. You never know. You might find something that you really like and you want to play with. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Love you all. Bye.